In this video, we're going to show you how to choose the right cushions for your pallet sofa or any other seat. You know that pallet sofas have become a trend over the last few years and are ideal for transforming indoor and outdoor spaces, but the most important thing is to choose the right cushions so they're comfortable and, above all, resistant to the conditions of the area where they'll be placed. At the end of the video, you'll find ideas to create different spaces with pallet sofas. Let's go. The first thing we're going to talk about is the characteristics of Happers cushions. Very important, all of them have removable covers, are easy to clean, and many of them are washable. Our exclusive foam EPS filling is a special blend developed by our technicians that combines polyurethane foam and fire retardant expanded polystyrene beads. This unique formula on the market offers a perfect balance between comfort, lightness, and breathability, adapting to the body and easily regaining its shape. All Happers pallet sofa cushions can be purchased at happers.com with free shipping and returns to mainland Spain and extended warranty. Happers pallet cushions are available in more than 20 colors you can choose from depending on the decor you like best for your terrace or garden. When choosing the fabric, we recommend taking into account the needs of the space where you are going to place the cushions to ensure greater durability. Here we'll show you the 4 available fabrics so you can compare them based on their resistance to sun, water, ease of cleaning, breathability, and price. Synthetic leather or faux leather is a fabric that imitates real leather. It is more resistant to sun and water, and its standout feature is how easy it is to clean. You'll only need a damp cloth to remove stains. It's a fabric that looks great design-wise, and the only thing we recommend considering is that, as a leather-like fabric, it retains more heat than other fabrics like nylon or Toldotex. As we were saying, unlike faux leather cushions, nylon fabric is highly breathable, allowing better temperature regulation. It's also resistant to sun and water. We usually recommend this model for pool areas, terraces, or even for indoor use. For the models made with nylon and faux leather, at Happers we've developed the AquaOut system. We know that, regardless of the fabric, water eventually seeps through the seams. That's why, instead of trying to stop it, we've created a design that allows for easy drainage and drying. This prevents moisture buildup, mold, and ensures greater durability. We have the Toldotex fabric. You could say it's the all-terrain material because it combines the benefits of the 2 previous fabrics. Since it's made with acrylic, it is highly resistant to water and sun, easy to clean, and also breathable. And fourth, we have the Patagonia fabric, the latest addition to the Happers catalog. It's a technical nautical faux leather fabric with a textile appearance that ensures spectacular cleanliness. It has excellent resistance to sun, marine environments, and always looks impeccable even in the most extreme conditions. It's the fabric we recommend for sunny and high-traffic pool areas, such as hotels, pubs, and restaurants. Pallet cushions are available in various sizes according to European pallet measurement standards. You can combine the different sizes depending on your pallet size, whether it's single, double, or follow our recommendations. There's another option, the square floor cushion format that can also be used as pallet cushions. Here you can see them. Their sizes are 60 by 60 or 60 by 80, and you can find them on our website under floor cushions. All cushions can be purchased individually or in sets that include a seat and backrest. This option makes purchasing easier and more affordable. Buying the set is very simple, you just have to choose the option that includes backrest and seat. Pallet cushions can also be used on the floor, giving a chill-out touch to moments with friends, family gatherings, or relaxing moments. Any of the fabrics and sizes can be used both on the pallet and on the floor. On the product page, you can see reviews from other people who have already bought them and how their experience was. Finally, we'll show you here some ideas of how others have used pallet cushions, so you can find inspiration and it helps you out. At Happers, we are constantly working on improving our materials to always offer the best quality and comfort. We invite you to visit our website regularly to learn about the updated features of our products, which we improve year after year with you in mind.